Okay, what are we doing?
We're going to Speed Cube's shop.
Okay, and who's coming?
Nanny Hangers.
You tell everyone who that is.
Jackie boy.
Yeah. And who's that over there?
Bobby Doug.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's go to, where are we going?
Blackburn. I actually got this for Christmas. This isn't a sponsored bag, of course. And I've got all my cubes in here. And we are going to be heading there in. How long do you think it would take, cameraman?
I don't know.
I would say at least 15 minutes. Is it recording?
Is it?
Yes. Turn left.
You know the road.
And now it
In
says
600 metres, turn right onto Charlton Street. Turn left onto Raymond Street, then arrive at your destination.
yeah, that's right there, Nanny Hangers. You're there. Yep, I can see it.
Arrive at Raymond Street.
Yeah, it's there. Come in, we are open.
Written down.
We are here.
You excited, dude?
Yep.
Hey?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, let's do it.
Back here, that's from
Go on then.
Oh. Oh, that's what the Master Pyramid is, as I expected. Here would be timers. There's cubes. What is that? Oh, there is a clock. I've seen those before. I think this is the Sheng Siang Mini Firefly, which I do have.
Hey man, why don't you go and say hello to the lady?
Hello.
Hello, how are ya?
Introduce yourself.
Happy Easter.
Is it okay if I have a test with this kid?
Absolutely.
Whoa, that's
You
actually...
can ask the lady what her name is?
Yeah, what's your name?
My name's Maxine.
Oh, Kizia.
You can switch the timers on.
Go on 2x2. Oh yeah, there is a magnetized version for the cubes with all yours.
Yeah.
This is actually really nice. Oh look, you have a mosaic. That's cool. How many cubes do you have to use? Like how many? You go threes.
Well, for the sunglasses, that's 90 cubes.
Man, that's a lot.
I started this store when my son was into cubing, just like, is that your son?
Phoenix, yeah.
Yeah, just like Phoenix. And but there was no cube stores in Australia. We had to buy it from Amazon and eBay and wait weeks and weeks and weeks. So I said to him, well, how about I'm sure there's other cubers in Australia that have the same problem.
Oh yeah.
And how about we take some money and buy a couple and see how we go at starting a store. So I showed him how it all works, how you buy something in wholesale and yeah, after school he'd come and we'd have 2 or 3 orders that we have to pack and he'd pack it up and we'd walk it to the post office, and that was about 4 years ago now, 3.5, 4 years ago now, and it's just grown from there to this.
This is the exact same type. I've got the stick on this, which is also in my bag right now. I actually did bring my whole Harry Q collection. You can see that. Of course I do know how to solve a 3x3. At least 20 something seconds. There is some sort of parody that can happen if I try to, it's like a little parody but it isn't like a big parody. Yeah, see how like this corner is not done? I know how. My heart's like beating right now because I can't get my whole hand around this. To me, I think this is smoother than the 8x8. Oh, but if I had this, it would take at least a few days to solve this. That's the thing.